What's up everybody? So, this is pretty cool. Megascans Trees European Hornbeam Early Access. It's free. They did release a first version called the Black Eater, something. But this is a whole asset of trees. Brah, these trees are amazing. Anyway, you can get these totally for free. I'll leave the link in the thingamabobby below. And go get them, man. They're free, and these are honestly the best trees you will get. So once you get it and install it, let's see what you get. Right, so if you look up, this is the older one, Black Elder. If you get that, these were the trees that we got beforehand, which were awesome. You can just drag and drop them in once they're installed, and these trees are just incredible. Look at these trees. These are fantastic. The new one, if you've installed it, just look up European Hornbeam, and then you can start just dragging and dropping them into your scene. But look at this. Look at these things. They are beautiful. My God, care. They are looking sick. Now, you'll see like the shadows kind of pass by them a little bit. They look a bit weird sometimes. If you click them and you go into your details panel and you just type eval, you'll see evaluate world position offset. If you click this, this will take away these weird odd shadows on them. Just give them a click on them, give them a click, all good. And this gets rid of any kind of artifacts or weird things if you're using ray tracing, okay? Ray tracing. But goddamn, look at these trees, bruh. Look at these trees. These trees are beautiful. Now, if you look up global foliage actor and you're on all, you'll get this thing here. Bam, BP global. If you drag that in, right in the scene, you'll get this. And what this does is it controls everything. Everything. Just take away, evaluate there, and this will affect everything in your scene, girl. Wind strength. Look at this. You can affect everything just from this thingamabobby. Speed. Okay, let's not overdo it. Wind tiling, light. You can do the light on them. Health. Season strength. Look at this. Look at this. And it affects all of them at once. If you don't want that, obviously you can go into each individual one and you can change all the stuff inside of the material. You can go to the material and you can see it's got everything that you can change. Normal strength, wind, season health, everything is over here if you want to do them individually. But if you wanted to do them tomorrow all together, just get that little foliage actor. The little global foliage actor over here, BP global actor, pull it in there, and you can just click on it and you can do everything from there. Variation, micro, blah, 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 everything that you want. It is beautiful, no? So, these trees are absolutely incredible. They're beautiful to look at. I'm just going to kill all the wind and noise, just put them on 0 so we can have a look at them properly. And I mean, damn, look at this. Look at this. Let's try a different lighting. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, once again, man, go get them. They are absolutely stunning. Look at the light. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. And you can just use all of these for what you want. I mean, they are accurate, they're beautiful. Look how realistic they look. And literally, you can just drag and drop, and you get a million type of cool thingamabobbies. Look at this, just drag and drop. And it is so beautiful. Look at those trees. They are beautiful now. So, go get them. They're free. They're in early access, so you probably might not know that they're there already, but I'll leave the link below. Get them, well worth it, and you've got these most incredible trees that you can use. Remember, there's also the elder ones, the black elders. Get those, and if you search for Global Foliage Actor in all, you'll get this BP, which controls all of them together and has multiple settings that you can use to do some cool stuff, girl. Look at this. So, wind noise, Wind strength. Look at that. I don't know what's up with the blur though. That's a bit odd. Anyway, I'm sure there's a fix for that or something. But damn, look at those trees. Beautiful, man. So if you don't have them, go get them. They're incredible. I'll leave link below. And have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.